A very good evening and namaskar. This is your favorite channel Ekal Yatri has Sujoy, and I am the presenter Sujoy Sarkar. So I have taken accommodation in a hotel room near the Jajpur Kionjhar Road railway station for the night stay in a cheaper rate, of course, and that's good for me. And tomorrow morning hours, I'll be starting for Katagaon, which is about more than 85 kilometers from here. And I have to take the route for Kionjhar from the highway, but Ghattagaon will be but Kionjhar town won't be there on the way. I will be taking the route for Ghattagaon. So that we will do tomorrow solely with my Hercules Street Rider. So this is my room. These are the shorts chocolate from Cadbury's that my favorite, one of my favorite. I like this chocolate and the chips Lay's classic salted. So let me see and find out whether I can get it or not. So in at Kakotpur, during my Kakotpur stay, the washroom was attached, but here the washroom is separate. But as compared with the Kakotpur price of the stay or accommodation price, this is expensive, but still it is cheaper. It was for 20 hours in Kakadu. Let me ask. Actually, I was a bit tired and I have not incurred the check-in and check-out time. Let me ask that we should do, obviously, because I have traveled for more than 120 kilometers from Bhubaneswar and I started at 3:50 a.m. I didn't have my lunch today, though I had my refreshments 3 times on the way till this place. So this is a good hotel. I forgot to see what is the name of the hotel. अच्छा आपन को होटल रो नाटा कोन भाई आपन को होटल रो नाटा कोन Actually, I forgot to ask also. Oh, one more thing. There is no door. जो bathroom door. Well, I managed. Hey, hotel na kono? Yeah, there is my Hercules. I have parked there. They have said that they will be taking this inside after 10 p.m. only. That is not a problem. It is dark. It is already dark here. Yes. Oh, one more thing. अच्छा हाँ ये अपन चेक इन एंड चेकआउट टाइम था 12 noon. Okay. Sure. It is 12 noon. They have said checkout time. That is for 24 hours. So this is I am near to the Jajpur Kionjhar railway station. Nice accommodation. Yeah. Oh, this is Sri Narayani lodging. This is the lodge where I have taken my accommodation. Yes. the announcement is being made for the arrival of the train. Nice place. This is the marketplace near to the railway station. So let me have some refreshment. Any fast food corner is there that I am, yeah, special dum biryani, veg and oh, hotel also. So there is a hotel here. I am looking for a fast food corner. आज मेरा मन हो रहा है कि आइदर डोसा या फिर एग रोल खाया जाए. Oh, today is Monday, so I won't be taking any non-veg dish tonight because I have skipped my lunch and had refreshment for 3 times. Refreshment stall is here. भाई कितने एटा कौन बोरा हाँ डाली एटा कितने टंकाटे आ संगे कौन दिया हबो घुगनी
डाली बरा बंधा कोबी पिरी बरा आलू चॉप
ओहो बढ़िया आलू चॉप बंधा कोबी टा अच्छी ना बंधाकोबी बरटा केते
अढ़ाई टଙ୍କା बंधा अढ़ाई डाली बरा टंकाटे पिरी बरा अढ़ाई टଙ୍କା ब्रेड चॉप 10 टଙ୍କା आलू चॉप अढ़ाई
मते दुईटा बंधाकोबी रो देबे और डाली बरा 10 टଙ୍କା रो देबे और आलू चॉप दुईटा देबे ठीक अछि दुईटा बंधाकोबी रो बरा डाली बड़ा 10 टଙ୍କା रो और आलू चॉप दुईटा मु खाइबी एठी खाइबी आ घुगनी. So friends, now I will be having my refreshment in the evening hours, and after 8 or 8:30 like that, I will be having my dinner because I have skipped my lunch today, as I have mentioned earlier. And so tomorrow we'll be moving to Ghata Gaon to visit Sri Sri Ma Tarini Temple solely with my Hercules Street Rider. Today I have covered a distance of 110 kilometers from Bhubaneswar till Jajpur Kionjhar Road railway station, and I have come via Pani Koili, which is a famous junction roadways. And tomorrow I will be moving to Ghata Gaon to visit Sri Sri Ma Tarini Temple, and that will be via Anandpur. And the distance from here, it is more than 85 to 90 kilometers from this Jajpur Kionjhar Road railway station. And there will be a night stay tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow 1 day stay, and on Thursday, if there will be a 1 day stay the day after tomorrow on Thursday, I will start my return trip to Bhubaneswar. And if time permits, I will be visiting this Baba Akhanda Mandali temple via Anandpur to Bhadrak. So have a nice day, nice evening, pleasant day, pleasant evening. stay happy, stay healthy,
नहीं,
and
तो नहीं, आज तो
enjoy my travel solely with my Hercules Street Rider at Ekal Yatri has Sujoy, and I am your presenter Sujoy Sarkar. Bye.